So now I want to show you another box. It's still a milk carton, but the top, I've made it so it will close. So can you see that long narrow strip? And on this side, I've cut a hole. Can you see my finger? And that is so that as I lean it over, it will fasten like that to stop them falling out. Now this time I'm playing dominoes. Dominoes are like talking about numbers, but as dots. So it's card that I have cut up, lots of cards. Then I stick paper on this side because I want the brown on that side. And then I draw a line down the middle. I'm showing where my finger is. And then I do a number on this side of dots, which as you can see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a 6. And on this side it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here is a domino with a 6 and a 3. What I've done is I've kept the 6s the same color to help the children who are learning to count, that soon they will recognize that as blue. Oh, I remember that 6. But now not will they see the blue so much, but they'll actually know what a 6 looks like when it is dots like that. So we're teaching them to count and we're helping them with colors. Now in this game they're all turned face down, so it's you and I playing, but I'm going to play both. So I'm going to go first. So I've picked this up with my right hand and I set it down and I say 6 and a 4. Now you're playing, but I'm playing for you with my left hand. So I turn one up, I don't know what it is. Oh goody, it's a 6 and a 3. So now I can put the 6 on that side or on that side. Either side the 6s must touch. Now that was left hand, so now it's right hand and it's me. Let's see if I can turn one over that I can have a turn. It's a 3. So my 3 must touch. So I'm going to come across and come back up again. Now you have to have a 4 or a 4. Let's see, I'm picking up now with your hand, my left hand, which is you. Let's see. 4 and a 4. So you can put yours like that, coming back up. Now I still have to have a 4. Let's turn this up and see. I can't go because it's a 6 and a 5, and I have to have a 4 and a 4. So I have to miss a turn. All of these dominoes are turned face down and we pick and see if we can go. Now although I couldn't go, I could hold my 6 and my 5 for another turn, so that after you've gone, maybe I have to miss a turn because I needed a 4 and this is a 6 and a 5. It's teaching children to carry on playing even though it's disappointing, and to match numbers, to match a 5 to a 5, a 6 to a 6, a 4 to a 4. So it's all about numbers, but enjoying a game. So I'm afraid you won this little round because I had to miss a turn, and that's all the cards that we were playing with. So this was dominoes.